Hey guys, welcome to my video for today. Thanks for stopping by. I hope that you are having a great start to your week. So last week I did a video on 8 tips to help you save money at the grocery store. One of my tips was to find what your family likes and buy it in bulk and batch prep it and freeze it and have it ready to go for many weeks, and then it saves you money on the cost per serving and all that. So it's really wonderful, and I really like that it also saves a ton of time. So like I said in my video the other day, and I'll put a link to that video in the description so you can check it out if you want to see my 8 tips to save money at the grocery store. But anyways, like I said the other day, my family is kind of obsessed with tacos. And that's okay with me because they're so easy. And so I have been buying a 3-pound thing of ground turkey instead of the 1-pound portions and making it all up. And then I use 2 packets of taco seasoning. You can definitely use all your own spices and seasonings to make a taco blend. So I make all this up and then I freeze it into 5 different portions because we definitely don't need a pound of taco meat per night. So this really helps us. This is going to make 5 servings or 5 dinners for us of tacos. So I'm going to make all this up, and then one batch we'll actually have tonight because it's super quick and I'll have it ready to go. Benjamin has started basketball, so we have basketball practice, and when we get home, just don't want to have to cook a big dinner for everyone. So it's really convenient to have a whole bunch of these batches of taco meat ready. You could just pull it out of the freezer, microwave it. I put the taco shells in the air fryer, it crisps them up, and dinner is ready, and it is so quick and easy. I use this ground beef or ground turkey little masher, and I have seen it on a ton of other YouTube videos, and I kind of thought, well, what's the point of that? Well, I had to get one to try it out, and it is really fun to use, and it's really nice. Ever since I've gotten it, I've been using it all the time. When I do anything with ground beef or ground turkey, you just mix it up in the pan, and it's really awesome. So I love this one. I just got it on Amazon, 10 bucks. I'll put a link to it in the description box if you want to check this out. Super fun, especially if you make a bunch of ground turkey and ground beef. So I will get all of this cooking. I will portion it out. I will let it cool before I freeze it into its freezer containers, and then we'll be all set and ready to go. So this is just one of my tips from my video from last week on how to save money at the grocery store. So definitely check that video out if you're looking to save a little money on groceries right now during the holidays, so you can spend that money somewhere else on gifts or donations or anything like that. So I'm going to get this ground turkey ready to go and portioned out for the week.
So I have my 3 pounds of ground turkey. I'm just going to put it in my pan on the stove, and I'm going to take out my little meat masher, and I just love this. This would be a really great stocking stuffer because it's kind of long and skinny. So if you know someone who cooks a little bit, makes some ground turkey here and there, this is really fun to have. So definitely a really awesome stocking stuffer. So like I said, I'll link this in the description box. It's really awesome. You can get it on Amazon or Target. So I will link it. But I'm just mashing the ground turkey, and it's going to cook all the way. And then I'm going to drain all of the liquid. I'm going to add in my taco seasoning, and then I add in some water, and I just mix it all around again. Make sure that all of the ground turkey is coated with the seasoning, and then I bring it to a simmer for a couple minutes and let the sauce thicken, and then this taco meat is ready to go. So I will let it cool until it's all the way cool, and then I'll portion it into my containers so that I can freeze up a bunch and have this ready to go for about once a week for about 5 weeks. So we are set for a while. We just love having tacos.
All right, so all of my turkey meat is all cooked, ready to go, has my taco seasoning. And so I'm just gonna portion it into my little containers. These are just totally basic plastic containers. They're by Rubbermaid. You can get them anywhere. I just got them at Walmart. But I use these, and then doesn't take up a lot of room in the freezer, which I really like because I have tons of stuff in my freezer. But I will portion these into 5 portions. So we usually have tacos about once a week. Today happens to be Taco Tuesday, so we'll have these later for Taco Tuesday. But so this will last us about 5 weeks. And so easy, the easiest weeknight dinner ever. And both my kids like it, so it's definitely a win-win. So I'm gonna portion, I'm just gonna use my ladle. I'm gonna just portion about the same amount into each container. And then once it's cooled all the way, I'll put these in the freezer. I'm gonna keep one out for dinner tonight. I'll just put it in the fridge. But like, you can do any kind of toppings you want, shredded cheese, shredded lettuce. We like avocado. You can do diced tomato, olives, all kinds of stuff. So whatever you like on your tacos. And make this a really good and easy and healthy dinner. So I like to use ground turkey. It's just leaner than ground beef, but a lot of people prefer ground beef instead. So definitely your preference and whatever you guys like. So this is just portioned out. I'm portioning it evenly. There's a little extra. And then, so this serving is perfect for us for one night. For the 4 of us. And so if I just buy the packet of 1 pound ground turkey and cook that up, we just don't eat the whole batch, and we end up wasting what's left over because it's just not enough for really anything else. So portion it out this way, a little bit less than a pound, so it is just the right size for our family. And this way we don't waste any money on food because we're not wasting any food. So works out perfect. So check out my video from last week on my 8 tips to save money at the grocery store, since everything is just getting so much more expensive nowadays. Check those tips out, and hopefully one or all of them can help you out a little bit. And then I'll get all this stored in my freezer, and it'll be awesome. So thanks so much for watching my vlog for today. Check back tomorrow for another one. I'm just having so much fun making all these videos for you guys. This month of December is going to be a blast, and leave me a comment if you have any questions at all. Hope that you have a great week. Happy Taco Tuesday, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.